Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to teach you on how you can create stickers on TikTok. So go ahead and launch your TikTok application. You can create stickers from your own videos or from the creator's videos, provided the creator has allowed it. So for creating a sticker from another user's video, select the share icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Now scroll to the left. And there you'll get the option of create sticker, which is between stitch and playback speed. Go ahead and select it. A 2.5-second clip will be pre-selected. You can drag the ends of the selection to choose a specific part of the video that you want for your sticker. After that, click on confirm from the bottom, which is highlighted in pink color. Then you can also choose to add a text if you want. Then select create sticker from the bottom, which is also highlighted in pink color. You can see that the new sticker has been created, and you can go ahead, go to the comment section, select the sticker from the bottom right corner of your screen, and find the sticker that you just created and click on it. And now select send. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.